Hi, this is Narayan Vasudevan signing into Trips and Tips. Let us start with Managamana in Nepal, which is famous for a Devi temple, but the main center of attraction is a cable car drive. Managamana cable car is one of the best cable cars in the world, one of the incredible and interesting experience ever had in my life. Really beautiful views and very safe as well. Managamana in Nepal is famous for Devi temple, which is located 145 kilometers away from the Nepal capital Kathmandu towards Pokhara direction in Prithvi Highway. Pokhara is a world famous tourist destination in Nepal, which is just 100 kilometers away from this Managamana. Devi temple in Managamana is located on a hilltop, which is well connected by means of cable car, starting from the base station located near Prithvi Highway. This base station of the Managamana cable car is located on the banks of a river called Narayani River. The total length of the cable car is 2.77 km, approximately 2.8 kilometers, and it will take 8 minutes to reach there on the top at a speed of 21 kilometers per hour. Wow, this cable car trip will give us amazing experience and nice views of Himalayan valleys, hills, rivers. It's really exciting. Look, this is one of the best beautiful view of this trip. You can see how beautiful the valley, the river, the base station is. All of us are very thrilled. Now we are almost on the top of the first hill. You can see the amazing view. You can see the river. We thought we just reached on the top of the station, and top station is very nearby. I realized that it is far away. The top station is far away, and we have to go much more to reach the top station. Now we can see one small village below to our car. See this amazing view. It's really nice. Meet my tour mates SV Rajkumar, Akhil PB, and the last one Durga Prasad, DPO Durga Prasad. It's almost 8 minutes past, and just now we are reaching our top station. From this station on Managamana top, we have to walk around 500 meters to reach the temple. On the way, we can see lot of small shops which are selling cool drinks, bangles, puja items. Manakamana temple is a small one, but always big queue and heavy rush here. This Manakamana temple, Manakamana Mandir, situated in the Gorkha district in Nepal, is the sacred place of the Hindu goddess Bhagavati, an incarnation of Parvati. This Manakamana Mandir in Nepal is a pagoda style Hindu temple. The name Manakamana originates from two words, Mana meaning heart and Kamna meaning wish. It is believed that the goddess Manakamana grants the wishes of those who make the pilgrimage to her shrine to worship her. After completing the darshan in the temple, we are just starting our return trip. This temple is open from 8 am to 6 pm, but the cable car service having a break for lunch from 12 noon to 1:30 pm. We are just checking into our cable car for our return journey. It's a nice experience, amazing view. It's a must visit place in the Nepal, frankly speaking in the world too. Surely I'll give 8 out of 10 for this Manakamana cable car. A tourist who visits Nepal normally spends 2 nights in Pokhara. That means visiting Manakamana is not required any much more big planning or something, because this Manakamana is on the way to Pokhara from Kathmandu. Hope you really enjoyed the video and you got almost all the informations about this Manakamana cable car and Devi temple. Please support us by putting your suggestions as comment in YouTube. Thank you.